This is actually perfect. Like, so I actually decided that I'm actually gonna bleach my eyebrows today. Hey y'all, it's your girl Luna, and welcome back to my world. In today's video, we're doing a quick wig install. As you can see, I got a silk press and I had cut my hair extremely short into a bob, and it's currently reverting back to its natural state, but I don't really want to wash my hair yet. Excuse me? Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. I love transitioning one hairstyle to another hairstyle because I feel like it's like a longevity thing going on here, but yeah, my roots are currently thick and very dense. The ends are pretty fluffy. The complete back of my head has actually the back of my head has completely reverted. So I did get a curly wig to install. It's actually a 13x4 deep wave lace frontal wig. This is the lace. I did bleach the knots somewhat. I would bleach some more, but I don't think I have the patience to do so and to wash this wig again. So let's just see how it goes. But this is the lace. I do want to try something new that I've been seeing. It's like a half up, half down with like curly bangs in the front. I'm gonna attempt to do that, or start to do that. We'll see how this goes, but cue the montage and I'll see y'all whenever. All right, y'all, so we back. I got most of the plucking done, but I feel like I'm gonna glue it down, and then once I had glue it down, I'll do more plucking to see how much I actually want it to be plucked, because like I told y'all before, I do want to do this half up, half down hairstyle. But as of right now, I actually cut off one of the ear tabs because I was just in the motion of doing things, and I cut it off so perfect. This is how the plucking has gone, as y'all can see right here. It looks really natural to me, at least. The parting is still pretty dense, but when I start parting the hair, it won't really matter. But this is the front of my head. This is actually perfect. Like, I can't even, like, this is the perfect wig for my big head girlies. So I actually decided that I'm actually gonna bleach my eyebrows today. I've been trying to hold down on that for a while because I didn't want it to be like an... I've been holding out on doing this for a while now because I didn't want to be impulsive about doing something like this. I feel like I do become very impulsive when it comes to like altering my appearance, but I thought about it for a while now and I really think I will look really cute with blonde eyebrows, so fuck it, we're gonna do it. So I got my clear blue bleaching powder right here. I'm actually going to use the Clairol 20 volume developer because I don't want to over bleach my eyebrows too fast, and I don't want to be too aggressive. I know a lot of people on Instagram that I follow that actually have blonde eyebrows, men and women, so I've been looking at their videos and making sure I am actually understanding their technique, and a lot of times they just say make sure the paste, the bleaching agent is actually very thick because it is your eyebrows, so you want something that's going to stick to it. As y'all can see, I have relatively, like, I don't want to call it thick, I just feel like I have very large eyebrows because my eyebrows are pretty flat. Like, the hairs aren't long, they're not thick or dense, like they're pretty flat to my face. Like there's barely any texture in my eyebrows, so I'm actually just gonna do a little 1 2 1 2. So we're done with the brows, as I can see. Bitch, this is totally not what I expected. As I can see, I'm still doing my hair. I have to like tint the lace a little bit more because I went to like the bathroom where there's like better lighting, and when I tell y'all, though, as you can tell, the sun is going down, but when I tell y'all That list was ashy. That list was ashy. My bathroom light is the best light in my house, in my opinion. I like my makeup in there. I like doing my hair in there. I feel like all my blemishes can be seen to light. Well, it's brought forward to the light, obviously. And I feel like I could actually do better adjustments to it. So it might look different in this camera versus in the bathroom. But basically, I'm done with everything. I'm actually going out tomorrow. I'm not going to work. I'm actually not feeling well. But I did get tickets to see whatever that movie's called with SZA and Keke Palmer. But due to the brows, I left them on for about 10 minutes, but as you can see, there's some like black parts in there, so I'm actually gonna go over that again tomorrow morning. Thanks for watching, you guys. This video was very impromptu. I did not plan it, but I enjoyed making it, so I can't wait to see the next video when I actually style my hair. And I'm going on a little solo date in New York City, and I'll just talk to y'all in the next video. Bye.